I was really bad in love till you arrived, yeah.
Alam niyo ni. Sigaw mo na, tingin ko tayo mo.
Now I can see in color why it was great.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my first ever vlog with voiceover. Since first time ko mag-voiceover at mag-vlog, please pagpasensyahan niyo na kung ano man yung mga maririnig niyo na paulit-ulit kong babangkitin. Tara, let's go guys! Samahan niyo kami sa aming paglalakbay. Let's go! After of 3 hours chill ride with friends, ay narating na natin ang ating destination, which is the Manuel Oy Beach Resort. Kung kayo ay naghahanap ng mga mapagpapasyalan or makakapag-recharge kayo mula sa stressful week or gusto nyo lang ng medyo peaceful na lugar, ay ito ang perfect place na para sa inyo guys. Pero bago ang mga chika-chikanes, tara samahan nyo muna kami na pasukin ang Manuel Oy Beach Resort. So guys, medyo nakakasad lang kasi medyo rough road pero manageable naman. Careful lang sa pagja-drive. Tsaka medyo konti lang naman tong gantong road nila papasok sa entrance ng Manuel Oy. So ayan nga guys, bale syempre wala ditong tindahan ng mga foods na mga kakailanganin. Meron namang tindahan sa loob pero mas maganda, mas i-advise ko kayo na magbaon na lang kayo ng mga lulutuin nyo or pwedeng luto na kasi para medyo less hassle na din sa part ninyo. So kami, dahil medyo biglaan to, nagbaon na lang kami ng mga lulutuin namin. So finally, after 3 hours, eto na, andito na kami guys. So this is not a parking area guys ha. So, nandito na kami. This is not a parking area. Ito ay, dito yung entrance niya. Dito magbabayad lahat. Kung mag-aarkila kayo ng tent, so dito din yun. Ayan, after magbayad, dito na, diretso na tayo. Pababa siya. So, akala mo, yun na talaga yun. So, pababa siya konti. Hindi naman super baba. Pababa lang siya konti, diretso lang yan. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda promise. Tapos natin para makita nyo. Tapos hindi ko na naipakita na video yung parking area ng mga motor. Meron din sa siyang special na parking area, hindi dito banda sa entrance. So ayan guys, bago ka pumasok, ayan yung bubungad sa'yo. Napakaganda yan. Very ano yan, kung mahilig kayo sa nature, this is very a perfect area or view para sa inyo guys. Like me na mahilig sa nature. So ayun.
I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Time check is 6:15 ng hapon. Okay, guys. Very ano siya, campsite siya. campsite. Ang ganda, promise. Ang ganda ng mga puno.
You take me under. For you I surrender. You're making me land on other side of
At
gravity.
3% lang. Ayun siya. So kami nag-rent kami kasi wala kami doon ng cottage. Sa entrance fee naman, bali 350 per head pagka overnight, then 250 per head pagka day ano lang. Ano pang tawag doon? Basta yun na, pag umaga lang. Yan, 250 lang. Ang saya. Dito guys, promise.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight get out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like it was running out. I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment. Yeah.
Manuel Old Beach. Sa gabi.
We're just waiting.
Pwede kayo dito mag-picture guys. Ayan yung mga
In the inevitable, I can't do this anymore.
guest
We're
etiquette.
just wasting time. So you better go.
Anong masasabi mo, Vincent? Sa experience?
Kahit
I'm
naman.
gonna miss.
Anong masasabi mo sa experience?
Hindi ka maganda.
Ano masasabi mo sa experience? No comment?
Ano ba? Hindi, si ano tinugtog ko yun. Hindi ano.
Oh, may binubuli sila sa video. Ay, kakat ko naman.
Anyone, don't stop. Moving your body, don't stop.
Ang ganda dun. Ayun oh.
Anyone, don't stop.
Di ko mag-gets. Ano kaya yan? Ayan, ang ganda dyan.
Moving your body,
Ah, ayun pala yun.
get you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't regret you. Like you
Ayan yung ano nila.
Cottage sila po. Uy,
Mga house.
There's something different about you. I'm feeling
Protect coral reef. Wala naman ako nakitang coral reef.
around you. There's something different
So,
about
ayan siya guys.
you.
Alam mo, maganda dito guys. Kasi,
Now that I found you.
super linis ng mga facilities. Ayan yung shower room. Tapos, ayun yung ihawan. Hugasan.
Don't stop. Don't stop for anyone. Don't stop.
Yun yung maganda dito.